playing on Bleed tonight, and I'm slowing it down so you can hear here. This is the tempo I play tonight. It's 70 BPM. I'm playing it at 70, so to get the kick drums into place, let me turn this one off so you can hear what I'm saying. I mean, I want to play it slow, because if I can't play it slow, I'm not going to be able to play it fast either. But it's much easier on the guitar to play a song in slow motion and just increase it. On the drums, it's a bit different, because this is like a mass spring system. Especially with the kick drum. If you look at this, I've set up the kick drum here, so this is what the meters. You can change the resonance frequency with the spring and all the settings on the pedal. So I've set it on the same eigenfrequency. I think it's 3.83 hertz. So when you got the original tempo like this, then you see, you can see it self oscillates in the same BPM as the original tempo, and that means you're going to use less energy when you play it at this speed, because I've actually set up my pedal to be as appropriate as possible for bleed. But this means that when I try to play this one in a slower tempo, it does not work as well. So that's quite a challenge with the drums, because even if I turn it down to like 50 BPM and I just brute force every hit on the kick drum, that doesn't scale to full tempo, because I suspect that I might need to learn some kind of heel and toe technique to make like double beats, to be able to use like an economic playing style, so I don't fry my legs in the first 30 seconds of the song. And that means that I'm gonna, even if I learn it slow, I can't use the same technique when it goes fast. If there's any drummers there, please give me some feedback on this, but this is just how I think it is. But I still think it's absolutely worthwhile to learn the song in slow motion first. So at least I know in my mind what I want to do with my body. That makes it 10 times, 100 times easier to learn the song. If you just know what you're trying to create. But if I speed up the tempo, I'm going to mess up the fills, I'm going to mess up the patterns, it's not going to be super clean. But that's at least my experience on the guitar. If I can play it super slow, it's so much easier to play it super fast. So be patient. Be really patient with this. And another challenge is to have a metronome that is so sluggish. It's like playing along with a second on your watch. The second dial, what's it called? Yeah, 60 seconds in 1 minute, and you're gonna play the drums according to that one. It's pretty slow. It's pretty hard. But let's do it for a year and see what happens. I mean, if I play it every day for a whole year, I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to play it in the Tuomas Haake tempo. That's no guarantee. But I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna make it throughout the song, at least. I can play it in a slower tempo, because if I can play it in a slow tempo, then it's just a matter, it's a war of attrition. You just have to practice and slowly increase the tempo until you're there. But right now I need to learn the song first, and I suspect that's a mistake many of us make. I'm definitely guilty of it myself in my younger years, because I was impatient. I just want to learn the songs and play them fast, but then I played sloppy and I made mistakes. And that's not good. You lose a lot of time. The fastest way is to start slow and then increase. See you later.